who has assembled here on this auspicious national webinar. I am happy to be a part of this national webinar on COVID-19 and self-reliance through entrepreneurship in India's challenges and opportunities, organized by the IQAC and Department of Economics, Nandalal Borgohain City College, Dibrugarh, Assam, with Department of Economics, Borhat College, Soraido, Assam. Let me appreciate the organizers for choosing a very relevant topic. As you are aware about the devastation of human resources caused by the pandemic COVID-19, we are at a critical juncture of time. COVID-19 has its impact on every aspect of our personal as well as our social life. One of its lethal and major impact is on economy. Imposition of lockdown has led to tremendous loss on the economic front. Downfall of the economy has rendered a considerable portion of our population unemployed and many of the smallest scale industries business also. This bleak economic prospect has added to the host of the masses. Even in the midst of these miserable times, the Honorable Prime Minister of India has reiterated the mantra of self-reliance, ushering us with new hopes in spite of troubled times. Maybe there is a ray of hope for us in this concept of reliance. Today's webinar will deeper into the self-reliance which can be achieved through entrepreneurship under the assistance of Professor Subhash Mathur, Economic Group, Department of Economic Sciences, IIT Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, who is our key note speaker. He is with us in his deep research outcome of 215 countries of the world, and in Indian state and district we have an excellent deliberation which have an immense value for all of us. Thank you, sir. We have also two experts of this particular field of distinguished resource persons, Hemanta Rava, Program Officer, Institute of Entrepreneurship, Guwahati, and Mr. Jiten Kolita, Retired Faculty, Guwahati. I am also hopeful, very fruitful deliberation as well as interaction in this national webinar. Let us wind up my inaugural speech by formally declaring the webinar open. I hope that you have a great academic sessions ahead. Last but not the least, I wish the webinar a great success. Thank you very much.